For all you foodies out there, and even those of you who don't consider yourself foodies, DC's brunch game is super strong. But with the blizzard going on, nobody really wants to go outside, so what can you do? My friends and I decided that we wanted to cozy up in our own apartments and cook ourselves a big brunch. Cooking meals together is a great way to relax and catch up with one another, especially after most of us have just returned from being abroad. I definitely have to say that sharing a meal with good company is one of my favorite things to do, snow day or not.